Hello my dear students, welcome to your chemistry class. We have done molecules, so today we will start chemical formula. As we know that these symbols we have done for elements, and now we are doing formula. Chemical formula of elements. It means it represents one atom of an element, that is symbol. So formula means one molecule of element or one molecule of compound, that is chemical formula. And if we consider the chemical formula of elements, it means that how many atoms are present in an element. So this forms a molecule. For example, chemical symbol for element oxygen is capital O. And if we have to write the formula of oxygen gas, it will be O2. Now, what is the difference? Symbol means it is how it is represented. So it is capital O. But formula means that one molecule of oxygen contains two atoms of oxygen. So this is chemical formula. Now my dear students, our topic is atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms present in a single molecule of an element. अगर हम एक मॉलिक्यूल लें, उसमें कितने एटम्स हैं, वो उसकी एटॉमिसिटी होगी. जैसे अभी हमने एग्जांपल ली थी ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन की एटॉमिसिटी होती है 2, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल इज formed by 2 oxygen atoms. So atomicity means number of atoms. कितने number of atoms मिलके एक single molecule बनाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं atomicity. On the basis of atomicity, elements, they are divided into 4 categories. First are monoatomic elements. Mono means one. So वो elements जिनकी एटॉमिसिटी 1 हो, मीन्स देयर मॉलिक्यूल हैज़ ओनली वन एटम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोडियम. When we write symbol of sodium or formula of sodium, it is same, Na, having one atom. Potassium, K. Copper, Cu. Iron, Fe. My dear students, you have earlier done different types of elements: metals, non-metals, metalloids and inert gases. So out of these, metals and inert gases are monoatomic, that their molecule has only one atom. Next is diatomic elements. Diatomic elements, these are the elements in which their molecule is having 2 atoms. For example, a molecule of oxygen contains 2 oxygen atoms. Formula for oxygen is O2. तो इसमें 2 oxygen atoms हुए और atomicity हुई 2. Similarly, a molecule of hydrogen contains 2 atoms. Formula for hydrogen is H2. So atomicity is 2. Triatomic elements. These elements have 3 atoms in their molecules. एक मॉलिक्यूल कितने एटम से मिलके बना है, यही एटॉमिसिटी है. तो यहाँ पे एक मॉलिक्यूल 3 एटम से मिलके बना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओजोन. ओजोन गैस तो आपने सुनी है ना एटमॉस्फेयर में. ओजोन हैज़ 3 ऑक्सीजन एटम और इसका फॉर्मूला होता है O3. ऑक्सीजन का O2, इसका है O3. ऑक्सीजन 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम से मिलके बनती है, ozone 3 oxygen atoms. So atomicity is 3. Then polyatomic. The molecules of each such elements have more than 3 atoms. अगर 3 से ज़्यादा हैं, 4, 5, 6, 7 कितने भी, then these are considered polyatomic elements. For example, a molecule of phosphorus contains 4 atoms. फॉर्मूला इज P4. सो हम सिंबल लिखते हैं फॉस्फोरस का P, एंड इफ वी हैव टू राइट द फॉर्मूला देन वी विल राइट P4 and atomicity is 4. Similarly, a molecule of sulfur contains 8 atoms. So symbol for sulfur is S and formula is S8. So atomicity of sulfur is 8. My dear students, this was chemical formula of elements. Now we will do chemical formula of compound. Compound तो आपको पता है, compound is formed by combination of 2 or more elements. तो कंपाउंड का केमिकल फॉर्मूला हम कैसे लिखेंगे? द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ए कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड केमिकल फॉर्मूला. अब हम कंपाउंड में उसके सिंपल्स को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए लिखते हैं, वो उसका केमिकल फॉर्मूला है. द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड कंटेन्स एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स. एलिमेंट में क्या था केमिकल फॉर्मूला? एलिमेंट दे वर फॉर्म्ड ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट. जैसे हाइड्रोजन था H एटम्स HH, ऑक्सीजन O एटम्स, ओजोन O एटम, सल्फर S एटम. लेकिन कंपाउंड इज मेड अप ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स. सो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में सिंबल्स भी अलग अलग आएंगे. सो इट इज different elements chemically combined together. Now see examples. A molecule of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride तो आपको पता है ना, salt, खाने वाला नमक. Sodium chloride ये दो एलिमेंट से ज्वाइन होके बनता है, सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन. और इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, कैसे बनता है सोडियम क्लोराइड? 1 molecule of sodium chloride, it contains 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine gas, and a compound formed is sodium chloride with formula NaCl. Second example is the formula of molecule of water is H2O. अब इसके फॉर्मूला से हमें पता चल जाता है कितने एटम्स कौन से एलिमेंट के हैं. तो यहाँ से क्या पता चलता है, एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर, formula H2O. 1 molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So it forms water, H2O. Then my dear students, there is one more example. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. So means 1 carbon atom, O2 means 2 oxygen atom. They join together to form carbon dioxide, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. So this is all about chemical formula of elements and compounds. My dear students, kindly read these pages again. Kindly read chemical formula of elements and compounds on pages 26, 27 and 28. Do activity. There is one activity and think zone on page number 26. If you see it on the top, there is an activity on page number 26 and a think zone. Using molecular model kit, make the models of some molecules. So simply you can then think zone, write the chemical formula of magnesium oxide. So first of all, you will learn all the symbols, then you will learn to know how to make these formulas. Revise more to know on page number 28. More to know, यहाँ पे आपको chemical formula of compounds दिए हैं along with their constituent elements. Kindly go through the table, and there is one more fact zone on page number 26. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ compounds के formulas दिए हुए हैं. Please go through these and read the chapter again. And if you find any problem, you may call me anytime. And my dear students, questions from exercise, they are being sent. Kindly note down. Thank you and have a nice day.